Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can use the draw tool in Canva. The draw tool is a feature that allows you to use your stylus or even your cursor to create a custom drawing on the canvas. So what you need to do is you have to open a document and click the draw option right here on the left side of the screen, and you will have some options or some tools you could use to create your own drawing. So there's this option, sorry about that. There's this option and also this highlighter option, which is usually transparent. But on each tool that you select, you have the option to change the color. You can change the color to something else. You can also adjust the weight and also the transparency level of the tool that you're selecting. So this is going to be orange and it is a bit transparent if I'm not mistaken. 90% transparent. Yeah, it's a bit transparent. And when you are done, oh, by the way, if you want to move it, you could click on any of them and move it as a regular object. And if you want to remove it, just select this eraser option, and you can click on any of the design or scribbles that you are just created, and it will be removed from the canvas. And when you are done, you could click close, and then you can move to a different section, and then you can treat this drawing as a separate object. And sometimes you can also just change the color and resize it if you want to. And yeah, that's basically the basic of the draw feature in Canva. It is much more useful if you are planning to use stylus for it, because the drawing is going to be much more accurate. And I have seen that some people using the draw feature to create an arrow, a custom arrow. But it's probably not the best idea if you don't have a stylus. And instead, what I do recommend is you have to go to the elements menu, and then on the shapes option, you want to select all, and you can click an arrow design. And this is much more accurate. It's much better looking compared using a draw feature, because you could adjust the style, you could adjust the endpoint, the start point, and also the line type. Like if you want to make it curved or elbowed, it is possible. And I think it looks a bit prettier compared to the original, sorry, the the arrow created using the draw feature. So yeah, that's just my opinion, but yeah, if you find the draw feature useful, then yeah, go for it. But anyway, that's basically how you can use the draw tool in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful.